Hi everyone. In this particular video, we will going to discuss about the XLOOKUP function. It's slightly better version of the previous one that we have discussed. First one is VLOOKUP and the index match. So let's move to the syntax or the method of writing it. So I have this data set where I have where movies dataset where I have multiple columns such as title, industry, release, IMDb rating, studio, and budget. Along with that, I have the financial worksheet. In financial worksheet, I had this budget, revenue, unit, and currency. Now, I I have the task to get all these quantity, revenue, budget, unit, currency to here with the help of XLOOKUP function. We already seen how we can do with the help of VLOOKUP or index match function, but in this like particular method we can do very easily. So for that, just press OK and type XLOOKUP XLOOKUP function. Okay, and you will get this one. Okay, after typing XLOOKUP XLOOKUP, there is the F button. Look at here. Here, okay. So this is the button where insert function you can press here, and then you get this kind of box. Here, first thing is to give the argument. First one is lookup value. So tell me which one is the lookup value. So lookup value is that value that we have to see in the data set. So suppose we have to look at the movies data set. So for that, you just type this one and control shift down arrow. Okay. Now it auto or you can just remove this one and just select this one. Okay. Cool. J- just select this only one movies thing. And after that, you have the lookup array press move to the cursor in the lookup array, and the lookup array you have to look at in the financial these chats where you have to look at the this array. Okay, you have to select the all the values controller. Got it. Now in the second return array you have to look the return value that you have is which one. So I have to return the budget here, right? So I'm just uh, taking this one, budget section. If not, what we have to write? We have to write the not available, not not available, and not available function if we are not getting the budget and all. And after that, we have to write the 0 for the exact match. Now you can see the example here. The lookup a value is 100, that is movie ID, and it will look that value into the financial this column. And if it got the 101, now it provide me the budget value. Okay, once you got the budget value, if it is not getting the budget value, it will give the not available, and for 0 it's for exact match. So this is the all the argument that we required. You press OK. Look at here, hooray, right? Basically give the claps that you did the pretty amazing job, and you just in this simple syntax you wrote this formula to get the value. And now our task is we already got, because look here, there is error things, but we already put the that not available here in place. Its formatting looks great. Now if you drag it little bit, you will get the not available. So just observe where you made the mistakes. This is in the first column we have movie IDs, right? And here also movie IDs, but here look at here, it changes into the title. It changes this title in the budget. Okay. Uh, in it changes into the budget. So what we have to do, just control Z. We have to fix it. How you will going to fix it? There is this special way. So for that, you give the this colon and write the in square bracket movies ID again. Movies ID. Once you do this one, you will get the log version of that. Now we have same problem here, so you can do the same, repeat the same process, just giving the extra parenthesis bracket, square bracket, and give the colon, comma, and you just press the colon and uh, give the square bracket and write the movie ID. Okay, now you kind of see that we write the movies ID twice time because in this particular area we have to log that particular column. This is this one, and here in this financial movie ID we have to log that movie ID because if the both the columns are in fix, so they can see and they can pull the data. Okay, otherwise if it is moving, so it will not get the data. So that's why we locking these things, and after that you just have to press the enter button. There is showing some error here. Just try to debug it. Okay, here, so we have to give the one bracket here. Okay, I think it's now get the value, and then go here and press enter. Again, it's showing the error here in this financial jet. Okay, it's showing finance. Cool. Now you are getting the value, and go here and just drag it. Look at here, you got the value. Now just drag it a little bit further, you got the unit, and if you drag it further, you will get the other values also. Now to get the full value, you just have to double click here and look at here, you got the value here, just double click it and here double click it. Okay, hooray, you got the maximum value that from this lookup function. So this is the that formula, and it is pretty much like easy as compared to other thing. But we have you have to know the all the other quantity, because if it is easy, so sometime we also use that one, because many companies file will not going to change uh, as like regular interval, so they can use the VLOOKUP function also. So both like all the other quantities, other VLOOK, XLOOKUP, index match, other function also have their usefulness. So for that, now what we do, we just try to test it, because if we insert any column here, look at here, can we our we get the same value here again? So yeah, look at here, we got the same value. So that means it is easy. So that's great, great students. We get the value again. So that means it is working and completely fine. And yeah, if we delete it, we'll get the same value here also. And just recheck it, like Thor Ragnarok, it has the budget 180 million and the million USD. Okay, Thor Ragnarok, what is the movie ID? Movie ID is 104, 104, 100, this one. Look at here. So you got the value. So fantastic, students, and let's explore this and do practice more and more to get the like a maximum output, or to learn this thing very deeply. And one thing I strongly emphasize you to do practice, And it is not about the remembering the syntax, because we know the syntax is pretty much this much big, but you can grab this thing by learning that, like doing practice again, and you just have to have the habit of like googling and using chat gpt. If you are using this kind of thing, then you will get the result that is very suitable for you, or you don't have to remember the other thing. So on this note, so let's finish this today's lecture, and yeah, bye.